In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Odoo step by step in just about 5 minutes. If you're new to Odoo or looking to streamline your accounting processes, adding a bank account is a crucial step to get started. It allows you to manage your finances directly within the platform, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Odoo's main website. You might already have it bookmarked, but if not, you can easily search for Odoo in your favorite search engine. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and do that to access your Odoo dashboard. If it's your first time logging in, make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see various applications that Odoo offers. For this tutorial, we'll be focused on the Accounting module, so navigate by clicking on Accounting. It's usually represented by an icon that resembles a financial ledger or something similar. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to a more detailed menu within the Accounting module. Next, let's move on to the configuration settings. Find the configuration option within the accounting section. Clicking here will allow us to set up various accounting parameters, including bank account details. Once you're in the configuration area, another step awaits. Clicking on Settings. This might seem repetitive, but it's necessary to access the specific features we need to set up your bank account. After arriving in Settings, it'll soon become apparent that there's a plethora of options available. But keep your focus on the task at hand. Locate the Bank and Cash option. Clicking here will lead you to the section where you can manage all your bank accounts and cash journals. Here you can either add a new account or manage existing ones. By clicking Bank and Cash, you'll see a page that allows you to either add a new bank account or review existing ones. If you're adding a new account, there will be clear options to do so, usually with buttons labeled clearly with Add or Create or something similar. Follow the prompts provided, entering necessary details such as the account name, bank details, and other required fields. And there you have it. Your bank account is now connected to Odoo, and you're all set to begin managing your financial transactions seamlessly within the platform. By integrating your bank account, you can ensure more accurate tracking and management of your financial operations. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more Odoo tips and tricks.